Thank you very much, Silip sa tiempo. And the race is on. El Indio from the outside, Boss Poggy. El Indio, Boss Poggy, Madam Leonora. And racing on the outside is Lord Gold, the favorite. Under further outside, Shut Up, Sugar Daddy. Running by the entry number 1. And this one is Tahomo. El Indio, Boss Poggy, Lord Gold in third. And racing in fourth now is Sugar Daddy. Shut Up, moving up on the further outside. And out of far turn, it's still El Indio, Lord Gold by the Boss Poggy is running in third as they race the last 500. El Indio by Anek, Lord Gold on the inside, Boss Poggy, Sugar Daddy, Shut Up, rather Thiago racing in 6 as they race the final corner. El Indio by Hapalan, Lord Gold fighting it out by Daryl. El Indio, Lord Gold by Daryl. El Indio, Lord Gold down on the inside. El Indio, Lord Gold by Daryl. But still El Indio, Lord Gold down on the inside. Lord Gold, El Indio. And finally it's going to be Lord Gold, El Indio, Sugar Daddy. Number 9, La Cienega, Tiago, Boss Poggy, Shut Up, Subur.